Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce my name, Hendro Widayat. I'm from the Mechanical Engineering Department, Batam State Polytechnic, Class A19. I hope all my friends are in good health and keep the health protocols. Here I will explain how to use the correct file or kikir in Indonesian language. Previously, I'm sorry because here I explain it without the tool. Before feeding, we must know how to hold a file properly first. The correct way to hold file is first, the handle of the file must be held in the right hand with the thumb above the handle of the file, while the index finger follows the length of the stalk of the mixer. Second, for filling or heavy work, the left hand palm is placed on the tip of the file with the finger pinching the tip of the file. Its function is so that the feeding or cutting of the material by the file can be greater and the surface straightness can be maintained. Third, for the implementation of leg filling, the finger of the left hand can be placed on the tip of the file and it serves as a counterweight. Fourth, in filling a thin workpiece, the tip of thumb of the left hand is placed on the surface of the file close to the handle of the file, while the other fingertip pressing the tip of the file or the finger pressing the surface of the file. Fifth, in the execution of filling, the body position is slightly inclined forward and the position of the left foot is in front of the right foot, approximately forming an angle of 300. How to think filling work can be done by everyone, but not always everyone can produce a good workpiece in accordance with the expected standard of workmanship. Workers who do not know how to file and have never known or done filling work will have difficulty doing it. To avoid the things mentioned above, the guidelines for implementing filling are: first, emphasis is applied or the application of force to both hands must be the same when eating or cutting the workpiece material. Second, feeding the A of the mixer is carried out in the forward movement of the mixer, will when the mixer move backward the mixer may not eat. Third, the location of the surface of the file or cutting teeth must be flush with the workpiece at the time of feeding so that the entire surface of the file or all the cutting blades of the file can cut the workpiece material. For long workpieces, all fire are fed. Meanwhile, for short workpiece, filling of the file should not be carried out by the entire length of the body of the file, because it can result in uniform filling result. 5. Feeding speed should be about 40 to 50 steps per minute, but workpieces made of hard material, the feed speed is carried out a low speed. Thank you. That's only explanation from me. At least sorry. So sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.